It's Sunday to relax at the pool. We changed the liner now, it's looking a lot better, and it's quite nice, and the garden's really nice as well. I'm walking on my bare feet on the concrete and it's really hot. But a nice place to relax. Oh, here's cooler in the shade. But we're in 2-bedroom villas and 1-bedroom villas for well, holiday people or just people to come to visit. The 2 bedrooms, it's 90 square metres, it's got 2 kitchens, inside kitchen and an outside kitchen, and private parking. There's a nice area here to sit as well, outside. And a parking area down here, which keeps the sun off the car or the motorbikes. But really, really nice. But what more do you want, eh? There's a barbecue as well, barbecue area here. I just built that about, I think maybe 6 weeks ago, but never used it. Never tried it anyway, so I think maybe we should ask her I could bring meat back for the shop and buy some barbecue food. I like it, I like barbecue. But that's what it's all about, eh? When you retire, a nice quiet place to live. In Udonthani, just out the city, didn't go in the city centre outside and get a wee plot of land and maybe build a wee house for a couple of 100,000 baht and a 350,000 swimming pool, a couple of toilets and a kitchen, and that's all you need. People buy or spend excessive amounts of money on houses they don't need and they didn't use it, so just cut back and get a nice plot of land and plant your garden full of nice flowers and trees and bushes. Beautiful. Beautiful, eh? I've been doing it for years now, just buying plants and making it look really nice. The 1-bedroom villa's down the back with kitchens and really, really nice. Okay, doke, if you want a villa in Udonthani pool villa, just send me a message and I'll invite you over. You can stay for a day or a week, it's up to you, or a month. No problems at all. It's Leah Resort. Leah, L-E-E-Y-A, Leah Resort, Udonthani. Private pool villas and apartments. No far from the city, 20 minutes to the city and 30 minutes to Nong Khai. Okie doke.